welcome to day number 1 of my summer makeup must-have series. I am so excited to do this. The summer has already started. Well, the summer vacation have already started. It's really warm here in Florida. I mean, it's always warm, but it's warmer now. So it's like a great time to renew your makeup, change it a little bit. If you were still with your cold and wintry makeup, it's time to change it because the summer is out and we want to look the best now that it's warm outside. So what you can expect during the next few days is every day I'm going to show you one part of the makeup, so and give you several options so you can choose which one is the best for you and then build up each day. So going from foundation up until illuminating your face, then bringing back color to your face, and then the last day will be all about color on your lips. So it's going to be a really fun series, and let's jump right into the first day. Okay, so how are we going to create that beautiful even look on our face? We have 3 different options. One is using the color correcting tinted moisturizer, the regular foundation, or the advanced anti-aging foundation. So first, let's do the color correcting tinted moisturizer. It comes in 2 tones, which is the light and the medium. I've heard they're working in a deep color. It's not done yet, but they for now it comes in light and in medium. And the beauty of this is that it is a moisturizer, but it has color in it. So it kind of works like a foundation, but it doesn't give you like the whole coverage as the foundation. This is perfect for your everyday look, and especially if you are in a hurry and you want to skip the step of putting a moisturizer, you can just go directly with the tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to show you how to apply this. All 3 are applied the same way. And all 3 will adjust to up to 3 different tones up and down. So even if you think it's not the perfect match for your skin, it will adjust. And especially the color correcting tinted moisturizer, it is awesome for, like you see I have a little bit of redness over here. It will actually neutralize it a little bit so that that little color goes away. So I use about 1 pump or less. I don't like too much coverage, so I apply it directly onto my brush, and you can see I am using a flush brush. I found that this one is the one that works best for me. You can absolutely just use your fingers, or you can use a beauty blender, a beauty sponge, but I personally most of the time will use the brush. So just put some little dots all over your face and then start to stipple it. The difference with the advanced anti-aging foundation is that it has a little more moisturizer than the regular foundation. So all 3 have moisturizer. The tinted moisturizer is a moisturizer with color. Then the foundation is a foundation with a little moisturizer, and the advanced anti-aging foundation is a foundation with lots of moisturizer. So if you have oily skin, I would go with the original foundation. If you like more creamy foundation type, then go with the Advanced Anti-Aging foundation. Now, all three of them have anti-aging agents. So while you're putting on your makeup, you're also doing something good for your skin, because it is adding you the moisturizer and the anti-aging that all the SeneGence products have, that will help you renew your skin cell. Okay ladies, I have one bonus tip for you. For those who want this like absolutely flawless look on your face, I suggest that you add, before applying your tinted moisturizer or your foundation, the Silk, which is a wrinkle and pore minimizer. And what it does is it will fill in your little lines and wrinkles, and then it will also make your pores a little smaller. So when you apply your foundation or your tinted moisturizer, you will get like very nice finish. So all that you need to do is just use half to 1 pump, depending on how much you want to cover, and then just press it on to the parts that you need to fill in. I have the bigger pores on this part, so that's where I just press it down, and then a little, not wrinkles, but lines here. So that's all you have to do, and I recommend that you do it as part of your skincare routine. So in the mornings after washing your face and before applying your moisturizer, you apply the silk so it starts working. And then by the time you want to put on your makeup, it is ready for you to apply your foundation or your tinted moisturizer. So I hope this was helpful. This was the first video of our series of our Getting Your Perfect Summer makeup look, and I will see you tomorrow with more tips. Bye!